Hi loves, hey watus, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm giving my bedroom a much needed refresh. We are cleaning and organizing this space, so it's gonna be fast and super satisfying. So I need you guys to grab that coffee and let's do this together. Realized that I've not posted for some time, guys. You know, we lost a hero, Raila Amolo Odinga, our hero, the enigma. Things just came to standstill. We could not do anything. Like nimejaribu ku edit, haifanyiki. I tried editing this video, but I took this video sometimes back, but the news about Raila's demise got me. I was so confused. I could not even do my work. I could not edit this video. Anytime nachukua laptop nataka kuifanya ndio hiyo. I just got lazy. I want to see what is going on. Nimefika wapi nini. So I just got this courage after the burial, and I decided let me just edit this video and post it once and for all, because yeah guys, just understand. My fellow subscribers, I love you so much. Just continue supporting me. And for the new subscribers, thank you so much for being here. This is home and you're gonna love it so much over here. Subscribe for more cleaning content like this one. Subscribe. Love you guys. Love you. Subscribe guys. Subscribe. By the way, on a serious note, please support me. Subscribe. Okay, subscribe. Fixing this duvet cover inside the duvet has been the most difficult thing to me ever since. Who knows how to fix this? Someone just explained to me, cause where, my lord, this thing is not easy. It's not for the faint-hearted. Like, inakuanga ngumu kwangu, hata saa zingine sijui niache ama nifanyaje. Ni hard kidogo. So I'm done cleaning this part, the bed making session. Let's now organize my son's closet. I usually get lazy, therefore I keep on postponing this. So for today, let me just clean this because it's not dirty. It's not dirty. No, it's so dirty. It's so dirty. So we have to fix this. We have to make sure that all is well. We organize. Yeah.